Hi everyone, welcome back to Undesign Craft channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you the final design in my Halloween Hello Kitty series. After making the Frankenstein, skull, and witch Hello Kitty, here's another cute design to complete the set. This one is extra special. Hello Kitty dressed up in a black cat costume, carrying a little skull and sitting on a pumpkin. The pattern is completely different from the previous ones. It features a cat ear hoodie and a sitting pose for the legs, giving her a whole new look. This pattern is exclusive for channel members right now, so let's join now and crochet together. So if you're a member, you're the lucky one who gets early access. So let's grab our yarn and hook and let's get started on this magical Halloween project.